Hello friends, welcome to Speak English Easily Day 12. Today we are going to listen to an interesting story written by R.K. Narayan. The name of the story is An Astrologer's Day. An astrologer is a person who studies the influence of stars and planets on human affairs and human emotions. This astrologer would sit under a tamarind tree with a saffron turban tied on his head and his forehead painted with sacred ash and vermilion to attract the customers. There was no municipal light and the place was lit by the nearby shop light. The astrologer himself was stranger to stars as much as his innocent customers. He hardly had any knowledge about the stars and planets. Yet, he could say pleasing and astonishing things to his customers and impress them because of his study of human ties and troubles, because of his long practice and shrewd guesswork. He never opened his mouth till the other had spoken for at least 10 minutes. By doing so, he got a judgment about others' lives and his troubles. Actually, he was a farmer who had left his home and village one fine day without telling anyone anything. One evening, as he was about to leave for home, a stranger challenged him to answer his questions correctly. After some nervousness, argument, and bargaining, the astrologer accepted the challenge. When the stranger lit a cigar, the astrologer caught a glimpse of his face by the matchlight. The astrologer began and told the stranger that he was attacked with a knife and was left to be dead. The stranger was surprised and bared his chest to show the scar of the knife. He was impressed by the astrologer as he told him more details about the incident. The astrologer called the stranger by his name, Guru Nayak, and advised him to go back and never to return. The stranger wanted to know where could he get the person who had tried to kill him. The astrologer replied that he was crushed under a lorry 4 months ago. Guru Nayak was taken aback. He was also gratified that the man he wanted to revenge had died. He gave the astrologer a handful of coins and left. It was nearly midnight when the astrologer reached home. His wife was waiting for him. He told his wife, "A great load is gone from me today. I thought all these years I had killed a man. That was the reason why I ran away from home and settled here and married you. He is alive." उसने अपनी पत्नी से कहा, "आज मेरे सिर से भार उतर गया। इतने सालों से मुझे लगता था कि मैंने एक व्यक्ति की हत्या की है, इसलिए मैं अपना घर, अपना गांव छोड़कर यहाँ बस गया और तुमसे शादी कर ली। वह व्यक्ति जिंदा है।" The wife gasped, "You tried to kill him?" उसकी पत्नी ने स्तब्ध होकर पूछा, "क्या आपने उसकी हत्या की कोशिश की?" The astrologer replied, "Yes, In our village, when I was a silly youngster, we drank, gambled, and quarreled badly one day. Why think of it now? It's time to sleep, he said, yawning, and stretched himself on the string cot. ज्योतिषी ने जवाब दिया, हाँ, मेरे गांव में तब मैं नादान नौजवान था और शराब पीकर ताश खेलते वक्त हमारा झगड़ा हो गया था। लेकिन यह सब हम क्यों सोचें? चलो सो जाते हैं। और वो उबासी लेता हुआ आराम से खाट पर सो गए। So friends, hope you understood and enjoyed the story. Subscribe the channel and write in the comment box what did you get from this story. आपको इस कहानी से क्या मिला? Thank you. Bye till then.